2 exhaust system hanger mounts. Got 2 bolts there. Looks like they're about 13mm. Might be 15, but I think they're 13. Well, the previous owner of this car was kind enough to chop the pipes off and not do anything back here, and he left the hangers here, so I didn't have to go and search out to find any. I think that everything seems to have come apart pretty good on this car so far. So according to the kit, it says to take these out. One mount down, and more to go. No idea which side's which here. Looks like it's got to be cut back quite a bit. So it should hang right about here, probably. Let's put the hangers on. I thought I was going to get lucky. I was going to have to cut anything. And that's roughly the stock spot there. I have to cut back to about there. I'll mark that. And then this, if you can see, it's got some hardcore. I don't think it's welded on at all. I think it'll just pop off. I'll have to twist it and get it to break loose, but I don't think it's welded. I thought it was popcorn welded on there. I think it was just clamped. Maybe that's a weld, right? No, it's not welded. Cool. I'll be able to just twist it off. Just grab my big pliers and see. Oh yeah, it's spinning. If I can just grab onto it and pull it loose. Seems to move. There it goes. And it's coming. There it is. Yeah, it has some kind of system on it at some point. Oh, I see. It's just it looks like it's just a turn down pipe. That's all it is. He just put a turn down pipe on it. It's just a store-bought turn down pipe. Now, trying to get the pipe to. Okay, I see. So now you gotta slide the pipe up on there and then adjust it, I guess. Maybe you do have to pull that rear exhaust hanger off. Let me do that. Put a bolt into it for a rear hanger. Or two. I'll do both. That'll kind of get it set where it needs to go. Get a little lube on this one. Some bolts started on that one. So that it kind of sits where it's supposed to go. What other hole is here? Now we'll see what that's adjustable a little bit. Now it's gonna sit up in there just a little bit more. And tighten the brackets up. Checking to see where the drain hole is so I know where it's. Seems not too bad. Still sound kind of low, but I think when I tighten up them There. Now, logic would dictate that you would put this on before you put the pipe on, but they stretch out pretty easy. I'm going to, you always want too close. There it goes. Now, I don't think that this is gonna impact anything. As far as ground or anything like that, but I think if you can make it look a little cleaner, that's alright too. Those of you that lose sockets all the time, it's always a good thing to put your socket back on its tray when you're not using it, so you're not kicking it around. I'm not going to put that rear pipe on there permanently until after it's painted. I don't want to damage the pipe or the tip. It's a stainless tip. I believe the exhaust system's stainless. The extension part's stainless, and then the tip, of course, is stainless. So I don't want to damage it, so I'm going to leave it off until the car's completely done, but I wanted to have them on there and start it up, see what it sounds like. I'll let my GoPro cool down because it just shut off on me. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, what I'm trying to do is, with these, you gotta kind of spread that flange out right there. It's loose. I mean, it's kind of loose. So that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to get it to break loose. Spin it off. Just this one's being a bear. Now, I need to take the two mounts off. The pipe on there. Went ahead and put the bracket on there, or the clamp on there this time first. I got it sitting on there. Get ready to bolt the mounts on there. That's where we're at. Try and push that pipe on there as much as I can. Should be tight. Now, let's get our tip on there and see what a tip looks like. That doesn't look too bad. Pretty centered. Doesn't stick out like it doesn't belong. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like inside the car.